How to create Telegram group. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Telegram and then click on the pencil icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on New Group. And here you will be able to add members to your group, so go ahead and do that. Once you do that, click on the icon at the bottom right of the screen to continue. And here you will be able to enter your group name. As well as you have the option to add a picture to your group. And once you're done, click on the check mark icon at the bottom right of the screen. And there you have it, your group has been created. And you can use it for whatever reason you want. And you can also add members and stuff like that and invite people. So that was it for this video. That's how you can create a group in Telegram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.